And for Unit 1, the first unit entitled Wild Animals, حيوانات البرية. If you remember guys that the last lesson that I explained it was the first lesson of Unit 1. So today inshallah I'll continue with the second and the third and the last lesson of Unit 1. Okay, so the second lesson here is readings and listening. Reasons and listening. Okay, so guys, in this lesson we need to learn three main skills. The first skill is to name the body parts of the animal. body parts اللي هي الأجزاء الجسم of the animals الحيوانات. Okay, number two is to chant the animal. chant معناه أنشودة أو ينشد، إن احنا بننشد أنشودة الحيوانات. The third skill is to sort letters according to their sounds، إن احنا بنصنف letters الحروف طبقا لأصواتها. Okay, so on this page guys, I'm gonna read the chant and after that I'm gonna explain it. Okay, I will catch a monkey by the toes. I will catch a monkey by the toes. A monkey by the toes. An elephant by the trunk. An elephant by the trunk. A tiger by the tail. A tiger by the tail. A snake by the head. A snake by the head. A bird by the nose. A bear by the nose. So what we need to learn in this page guys, the names of the animals here. So a monkey, you know what's a monkey? This is a monkey guys. Okay, an elephant, this is an elephant. Okay, a tiger, okay, a snake, a bear, okay. So monkey, curd, elephant, feel, tiger, نمر, snake, ثعبان, a bear يعني الدب. Okay, so what about the body parts of these animals? So we're gonna say toes اللي هي أصابع القدم, we call it toes. لكن أصابع اليد بنسميها fingers. Okay, trunk, you know this is the trunk. The trunk اللي هو زلومة الفيل أو خرطوم الفيل بنسميه trunk. tail اللي هو ذيل الذيل. Okay, here we're talking about the tail of tiger. head معناها رأس. Okay, nose اللي هي الأنف. So on this page guys, we need to learn the names of such these animals: monkey, elephant, tiger, snake, bear, and their parts of the body like toes, trunk, tail, head, and nose. Okay, also we need to learn how to pronounce the letter O. We pronounce the letter O like O, and O-A we pronounce like also O. They have the same sound guys. So we're gonna say octopus, fox. So we have to match up this word with its picture. Fox, rose, وردة, روب اللي هو الحب. Don't say rosy, that's gonna be wrong. Okay, مش بننطقها rosy. Why? Because we don't pronounce the letter E at the end of the word. مش بننطق حرف الإي في آخر الكلمة. So we're gonna say rose, robe, and don't say roby. Okay, that's gonna be wrong. ده يكون خطأ. It's just robe. Okay, what animal is this? So we have to listen to these speakers and we can guess what animals are these. So what animal is this? If we listen to the speaker, we're gonna hear the sound of the lion. So this girl said it's a lion, and they said that's right. Here the homework for this lesson, so we have to trace these words or the names of these animals, like a monkey, an elephant, a tiger, snake, a bear. And here we have to trace and copy these three sentences. For example, the first sentence is it's an elephant, it's a monkey, it's a tiger. Okay, then we have to match these words with their picture. So the first one is tiger. So where is the tiger? This is the tiger. Okay, number two is snake, so we have to match it with a snake. And the last one is elephant, so this is the picture of an elephant. Okay, let's move to the second lesson, which is words in action. Here guys, there are also three main skills that we need to learn. The first skill is to describe animals، نصف الحيوانات. Write the words correctly، وإن احنا نكتب الكلمات بطريقة صحيحة. And the last one is to classify a variety of animals and their habitats. ان احنا classify بنصنف a variety of animals اللي هو حيوانات مختلفة أو نوعية مختلفة من الحيوانات and their habitats والبيئة بتاعتهم أو عاداتهم. Okay, so here guys, number one is elephants. Elephants, you know, this is an elephant, so the elephant is the plural form of elephant. Okay, so here guys, elephants are what? Elephants are big and they have trunks. Remember, this is called a trunk. Okay, number two is zebras. Zebras is the plural form of zebra. Okay, zebras are black and white. Black and white. Zebras have stripes. Stripes, you know, these lines are called stripes. Okay, number three is crocodiles. Crocodiles. Crocodiles are scary. Scary يعني مخيفة and they have big teeth. وعندهم أسنان كبيرة. Number four is chimpanzees. Chimpanzees اللي هي chimpanzee. Okay, chimpanzees are smart، بيكونوا أذكياء and they have long arms. They have long arms. عندهم أيدي طويلة أو أذرع طويلة. Okay, number five are snakes. Snakes. Snakes are long، بتكون طويلة and they have no arms or legs وما عندهمش ولا أذرع ولا أرجل. Okay, the last one is called hippos. Hippos. Hippos are fat and they have big mouth. They have big mouth يعني عندهم فم كبير. Okay, so here guys, we have to guess. So if I ask one of you, any one of you, by saying which animals are big and have trunks, which animals are big and have trunks, so you have to say they're elephants. Okay, and also if I ask you guys which animals are long and have no arms nor legs، ايه الحيوانات اللي هي بتكون طويلة وما عندهاش ولا ذراع ولا أرجل، so we're gonna say they're snakes. And also guys, if I ask you guys which animals are scary and they have big teeth, so we're gonna say they're crocodiles. Crocodiles are scary and they have big teeth, and so on guys. Okay, you got it? So in this picture guys, here this is the teacher and he asks these two students about the animals. He asks them by saying they are big and they have trunks. ايه هو الحيوان اللي بيكون ضخم وعنده زلومة؟ So we're gonna say that is an elephant. Okay, so we have to do this homework guys, which is page 67. We have to trace such these two sentences and answer about question number 2. We're gonna answer by saying elephants are what? Elephants are big. Okay, Zebras have what? They have stripes. Hippos have, you remember hippos have, yes, that's right, have big mouth. And the last one is snakes are, we're gonna say snakes are excellent. Snakes are long, okay? Also, we have to write down the names of such of these animals. So the first one is elephant, so we're gonna say it's an elephant, and so on, guys. So easy, okay? So let's move to the last lesson, which is phonics. Okay, in this lesson, guys, we need to learn also 3 main skills. Okay, the first skill that we need to learn is to pronounce the final S correctly. يعني لو عندك كلمة انتهت بحرف الاس, we need to learn it to learn to pronounce it correctly. Okay, number 2 is to pronounce some words correctly, إننا ننطق بعض الكلمات بطريقة صحيحة. And the last one is to comprehend the sounds represented by the letters of the alphabet. So let's listen to this. Let's look at this lesson. Number 1. Listen, point, and say, then read at number 1 or 2. Look, guys, here. This word has the sound of okay, and this word has the sound of e, okay? So if I want to read this word, I'm gonna say head, okay? And this is read. So let's look at these examples. Okay, the first one is feather. I pronounced E-A here like so we have to put A here, okay? Number 1, we have to put 1 here, okay? And peach, so I pronounced E-A here like E, as in read, so we have to write down number 2 here. Meat, E, okay, so I pronounce it like read, so I have to write down number 2 here, okay? Bread, it looks like head, bread, so I have to write down 1 here, okay? Let's move to number 2, guys, here. Number 2, guys, we need to learn how to sound the letter U. The letter U has 2 sounds, guys. We can pronounce it like A or U, A or U. Look at this word, it's top. So we pronounce U here like A. It's a top, okay? And here tube. This is in the British accent, but if I want to pronounce it like the American accent, we're gonna say tube, okay? Tube. We have 6 examples for that. Cup. So I pronounce it like A, so we have to match it like this sound, okay? Cube. So we have to match it like here. Uniform. Bus. Bus, okay? Duck. Huge. Remember, so the letter U has some pronunciation A and U. If we pronounce like A, this is gonna be short vowel, and if we pronounce it like U, this is gonna be a long vowel, okay? Let's move to the number 3. Listen, say, and match. Food. Look, guys, here in this lesson, double O has 2 pronunciation. The first sound for it is O, and the last one is O, okay? O is a short vowel, but O is a long vowel. So in this word, which is food, food, so we're gonna say it like O, food, book, book, okay, the short vowel. Boot, 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 long vowel. Foot, 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 short vowel. Moon, moon, oh, moon, long vowel. Cook, cook, short vowel. Okay, so let's move to the next page. In this page, guys, we need to learn how to sound the letter S at the end of the word. If you remember, guys, this is I told you about that in the first semester. Okay, if the word ends with the letter S, it has three pronunciations. The first one is z, z, this sound. Okay, we pronounce it like z if the word ends with one of these letters, like b, d, g, l, m, n, r, v. لو عندي كلمة انتهت بأي حاجة من الأحرف ديت وضفت لها حرف الاس في الأخير, so we're gonna pronounce the letter S like z, okay? And we pronounce it like s if the word ends with one of the following letters: p, t, k, f, f, okay? or th. لو كلمة انتهت بأي أحد الأحرف ديت وضفنا لها الاس بننطقها s, okay? The last sound is z, is. لو عندي كلمة انتهت بأحد الأحرف الآتية, so we're gonna pronounce it like is, okay? يبقى لو عندي لو الكلمة انتهت بحرف الاس هيكون لها 3 أصوات. The first sound is z, the second sound is s, the third sound is okay. امتى بنطق z؟ لو الكلمة انتهت بأحد الأحرف الآتية. لو الكلمة انتهت بأحد الأحرف الآتية بننطق s. لو انتهت بأحد الأحرف الآتية بننطق is. طيب نبص الكلمة كده, arms. نبص على الحرف اللي قبل حرف الاس, m. So pronounce it like z, يبقى arms, okay? هنا chunks. نطلع على أي الحرف اللي قبل حرف الاس, حرف الكي. فين حرف الكي؟ هنا في الجدول. So pronounce it like s, so it's gonna be chunks, okay? Noses, okay? Look at here, guys, the letter S. So we're gonna pronounce the letter S like is. So it's gonna be noses, okay? Noses. Okay, so let's do this activity. Hippos. It takes this sound. Z. Crocodiles. الحرف الأخير حرف ال here. So we're gonna say this is number 1. Z, crocodiles. Snakes, حرف ال K. It looks like trunks. So we have to put 2 here, trunks, okay? Elephants, حرف ال T. Here, elephant. So we have to put 2 here. Dresses, double S. Dresses. So it's gonna be as. So we have to put 3 here. Faces. Okay, so it's the letter C. So we're gonna say is. We have to put 3 here. Again, hippos, crocodiles, snakes, elephants, dresses, faces. Okay. So guys, we have also differentiated between the letter O, which is a short vowel, and a long vowel. Okay, like O. Look, this word rose, but here we say that like hot. This is a short vowel and this is a long vowel. If a short vowel, we're gonna pronounce like O. If it's a long vowel, we're gonna say it like O. Okay. So we have to do this homework, which is page 69 and 70. Okay, guys.